Hi all friends, in this video I will tell you how you can register to Binance exchange, how you can create an account from Binance. Let's go. We are writing here Binance link. I put that below the video. You can copy it and enter this link to go Binance exchange website. Now you can see the register. I will just click register. I will write here my email address, david@yandex.com. I will write here my password. You have to use uppercase and numbers. Okay. This is referral ID. It must be writing here. If not, you can write it to here 1281950 and just click this and click the create account. And this is puzzle. Binance exchange understand are we a robot or human? Okay, it sent email to verification. I go to my email address. I just click. Okay, it came. I just clicking. I have to click verify email. I click that, and that's all. I registered to Binance website. I can use Binance anymore. Let's go. I write my email address. Okay, login, and again puzzle will come. I put the puzzle to its position. Okay, remind me later. In here, Binance said register to 2FA. Okay, Google authentication. I told Google authentication how you can set it to Binance. You can check the link. I put it to description below the video. Skip for now. Skip for now. Okay, friends, this is my Binance app. I told about how you can register. If you want to learn how you can use Binance app, buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, deposit and withdrawal, you can check my other videos, or you can click the finish screen on the YouTube. I told them in there. If you like my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you to next video.